Hello, welcome to Nursing 7030 or your informatics course. I am really excited to be here. I am going to keep this short. What I wanted to do is just tell you quickly about this course. It was developed by an informaticist specialist, so someone who actually has a degree in informatics, Dr. Perry Gee, and actually he has done his research in informatics over the last 20 some years. One of the things I wanted to state was oftentimes when we think of informatics, we think of computers. Yes, computers are a huge part of this, but really what we're talking about is data management, period. And that can come in many forms. The biggest thing about your DNP courses, including this one, is really what you're doing is honing your leadership skills and your communication skills. And it's really about the broader perspective of you as a nurse leader, taking this practice doctorate, or what we call a translational degree, and being a leader and putting the evidence or the research into practice. And that includes this informatics piece as well. So very excited about that. And another thing I wanted to tell you is this course is really about the fundamentals. We're not focusing on one specific way to manage data. We're focusing on just the fundamental concepts, so you can take these concepts and use them in different situations as well. Sometimes what happens is, and this is okay, but we'll have some informatics people. There's a difference between informatics and an informaticist or an informatics specialist. That's the same thing. But sometimes what you'll see people focusing on one system like Epic or Cerner, and I am talking about EHRs, or even say Microsoft things. That's all great and dandy, but if you step into another realm, there is a steep learning curve. So we're not doing any of that. We, again, are just going back to the basics, the fundamentals, and what's important for you as a DNP when it comes to managing data and looking at the big data sets and things like that. So anyways, I actually do have experience in informatics. I worked for several years as a knowledge engineer at Intermountain Healthcare before moving on and getting my master's and then my PhD. But I do love it. I love informatics and I love the concepts. And now that I'm back in informatics or at Intermountain Healthcare, I am doing a lot more of that again. So it's very interesting. But anyways, you're in a rock solid course and I am happy to be here, and thanks. And we will see you out there.